How to download and install IDM or Internet Download Manager. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. IDM is a popular program for Windows that helps you to download files faster with pause and resume downloads and organize the downloaded files. To download it, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for Internet Download Manager. Once that is done, tap on the first link, which is by the www.internetdownloadmanager.com. Tap on the download button and your download should start within seconds. If it is not possible through the download button, you can tap on 30-day free trial version of Internet Download Manager. It will now download a .exe file. Tap on it from the downloaded section. This way you will get a pop-up on your screen regarding the installation process. Tap on the next button. Tap on I accept the terms in the license agreement button and tap on next. Then after, choose the location where you want to download it, and then the installation should start. Once the installation is completed, tap on the finish button and then a pop-up will appear for IDM. Now that you do so in your browser or the Google Chrome itself, you will see the extension support for IDM. You will have to make sure to manage the extension by tapping on Enable Extension button. And there you go. With this simple step, you have already downloaded and installed the IDM on your device. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.